Well, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today we're back on my wife's 2009 Toyota Prius, continuing on with the 120,000 mile service, and today we're going to be knocking out the transmission fluid exchange. So, let's get to it. All right, so we got the car up in the air. This is a CVT transmission, but I had talked about this in a previous video that 99% of you guys don't subscribe, so you probably haven't seen it. But I had mentioned that of the world standard transmission fluid cars, Prius are one of the anomalies. This is simply a drain and fill, no different than, say, a manual transmission or a like a differential or something. So you don't want to do this one. This one is where coolant comes from. This is your fill plug. This is a 24. And this is your drain plug. This is a 10 millimeter Allen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the fill plug out of it so it'll drain a little bit faster. And then we'll get the 10 going. So there's a little bit of trash on the bottom of this. There's a magnet on the bottom of this drain plug. We'll try to get as much of this off as we can, reasonably speaking. New drain plug washer. These things are like, I don't know, 60 cents a piece or something at the dealer. And we'll go ahead and go back in with our... All right, so if memory serves, I think this thing holds about 4 quarts. So I got 4 quarts of Toyota WS fluid in it. So we are just going to put it in our fill hole until it starts to come out the top, if I can get it in there. There we go. All right, so we were just under 4 quarts. So 4 quarts in that thing worked out fine. Got our new drain plug washer on. We'll go ahead and put our fill plug back in. And we'll get this thing cleaned off and we're done. Well, guys, that's all there is to this one. This is a very simple thing that you can do at your house. It is basically like an oil change without the filter. So parts and labor breakdown, you can get the fluid between like $8 and $15 a piece. There's 4 quarts, so you're looking at about $60 in parts. The 2 gaskets are the O-ring washer things. They are, I think they were like 67 cents a piece, so $1.50 or so in that. And labor, you're looking at probably like a half an hour or so. So anyway, that's all there is to this one, guys. Hopefully you earned a thumbs up from you. Let us know what you think down in the comment section. We have new content for you every single week, so consider subscribing to the channel. And with all that being said, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
I'll pick you up at 8. You probably won't be awake. Call yourself an Uber, babe. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
Look at all that trash in there. I can't believe who would service that transmission, and he obviously needs one.